Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the top 10 drinks that the healthiest people around the world consume every day. You know me, I'm all about those small changes that lead to big results. And when it comes to your health, what you drink is just as important as what you eat. Choosing the right beverages can make a world of difference in how you feel, your energy levels, even your risk for certain health problems down the road. Let's get started. First up, we're jetting off to East Asia, where green tea has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. And you know what? They were onto something. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, including one called EGCG, which has been linked to some pretty amazing health benefits. We're talking about boosting brain function, supporting heart health, and even potentially reducing the risk of certain cancers. Now, I'm not saying green tea is a magic cure-all, but incorporating a cup or two into your day could be a simple way to give your body some extra love. Think about it. Starting your morning with a warm cup of green tea instead of reaching for that sugary coffee drink, you're hydrating yourself, giving your brain a boost and loading up on those powerful antioxidants. Plus, there's something so calming and ritualistic about preparing a cup of green tea. It's a moment of self-care, a chance to pause and set your intentions for the day. And the best part, green tea is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it plain, add a touch of honey or lemon, or even get creative with iced green tea lattes or smoothies. The possibilities are endless, so why not give green tea a try? Your body will thank you. Let's travel to another corner of the world known for its incredible health practices, India. Here, ginger is more than just a spice, it's a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, and for good reason. Ginger tea, made by steeping fresh ginger root in hot water, has been used for centuries to aid digestion and reduce inflammation. We've all experienced that uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal. Well, ginger can help with that. It contains compounds like gingerols and shogaols that help to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, easing nausea and promoting healthy digestion. But that's not all. Ginger is also a natural anti-inflammatory, meaning it can help reduce those aches and pains we all experience from time to time. Whether it's muscle soreness after a workout or stiffness from sitting at a desk all day, a warm cup of ginger tea can work wonders. And let's not forget the incredible aroma of ginger. That warm, spicy scent alone can be incredibly soothing, especially on a cold day or when you're feeling under the weather. So, next time you're feeling a little off, reach for a cup of ginger tea. It's like a warm hug for your insides. Imagine yourself on a tropical beach, palm trees swaying in the breeze, and you're sipping on a refreshing coconut, directly from the source. Sounds idyllic, right? Well, that's the beauty of coconut water. It's like nature's own sports drink, naturally hydrating and packed with electrolytes. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, especially in warmer climates or after a strenuous workout. But coconut water takes hydration to the next level. It's naturally rich in electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance, regulating blood pressure, and even preventing muscle cramps. Think of it as a delicious and natural alternative to those sugary sports drinks. Coconut water replenishes your body with the essential nutrients it needs without the added sugars and artificial ingredients. Plus, it's naturally low in calories and fat, making it a guilt-free way to quench your thirst. So, next time you're reaching for a drink, skip the soda and grab a coconut water instead. Your body will thank you for it. Now, this next one might sound a little unusual, but trust me on this bone broth. It's been a staple in traditional cultures for centuries, and for good reason. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissues for an extended period, extracting valuable nutrients like collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. Let's talk about gut health for a moment, because it's way more important than you might think. Your gut is often referred to as your second brain, and for good reason. It plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. And that's where bone broth comes in. The gelatin in bone broth can help soothe the lining of your digestive tract, reducing inflammation and improving nutrient absorption. It's like giving your gut a warm, comforting hug. Plus, Bone broth is a good source of collagen, which is essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. It's like a beauty elixir from the inside out. Let's move on to a drink that's been gaining popularity lately, kombucha. This fizzy fermented tea has been around for centuries and for good reason. Kombucha is made by fermenting tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, also known as a SCOBY. Now, before you wrinkle your nose at the thought of fermented tea, let me tell you why this is a good thing. The fermentation process creates probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion, immune function, and overall health. Think of your gut as a delicate ecosystem. When it's balanced and thriving with good bacteria, your whole body benefits. Kombucha can help support that balance by introducing those beneficial probiotics into your system. Plus, it's a refreshing and flavorful alternative to sugary sodas. With so many different flavors and varieties available, you're sure to find a kombucha that tickles your taste buds. Okay, I know this one might seem obvious, but we can't talk about healthy drinks without mentioning the MVP water. It's essential for life, and yet so many of us don't drink enough of it. Think of water as the lifeblood of your body. It's involved in every single bodily function, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients to flushing out waste products. When you're dehydrated, even mildly, it can impact your energy levels, cognitive function, and overall well-being. You might experience fatigue, headaches, or difficulty concentrating. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. You can make it more enjoyable by adding slices of fruit, cucumbers, or herbs for a refreshing twist. Now let's talk about a delicious and convenient way to flood your body with nutrients fresh vegetable juice. We're not talking about those sugary store-bought juices loaded with additives. I'm talking about fresh, homemade juices packed with leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and a touch of fruit for sweetness. Think of it this way: when you juice your vegetables, you're essentially pre-digesting them, making it easier for your body to absorb all those vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's like a supercharged shot of nutrients straight into your bloodstream. And the best part, you can customize your juices to your liking. Don't like kale? Swap it out for spinach. Not a fan of beets? Try carrots instead. The possibilities are endless. Let's travel back to Japan, the land of the rising sun, and explore another powerful drink, matcha. Matcha is a type of green tea, but it's special because it's made from the entire tea leaf, which is ground into a fine powder. This means you're consuming the whole leaf, not just an infusion, resulting in a higher concentration of antioxidants and beneficial compounds. One of the most notable benefits of matcha is its ability to provide sustained energy and enhance focus. Unlike coffee, which can give you a quick jolt followed by a crash, matcha provides a more balanced and sustained energy release thanks to its combination of caffeine and L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus without the jitters. It's like a calm alertness that allows you to power through your day with clarity and focus. Now, let's talk about a delicious and versatile milk alternative, almond milk. It's become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Almond milk is naturally lactose-free, making it a great option for those with dairy sensitivities or intolerances. But it's not just about what almond milk doesn't have, it's also about what it does have. Almond milk is a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy choice. You can enjoy almond milk in smoothies, on cereal, or simply on its own as a refreshing beverage. Last but not least, let's explore the wonderful world of herbal teas. Herbal teas have been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems around the world, and for good reason. These teas are made by steeping herbs, flowers, roots, or spices in hot water, extracting their natural flavors and therapeutic properties. The beauty of herbal teas is their variety. There's a tea for everything. Feeling stressed? Reach for a calming chamomile tea. Need a digestive boost? Peppermint tea can help. Having trouble sleeping? Lavender tea can promote relaxation and sleep. Think of herbal teas as nature's medicine cabinet. They offer a gentle and natural way to support your health and well-being. Experiment with different blends and find the ones that work best for you. So there you have it, the top 10 drinks consumed by the healthiest people around the world. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Try incorporating one or two of these drinks into your daily routine and see how you feel. You might be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your energy levels, digestion, and overall health. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.